Query successful. Try again without apps. You know that sinking feeling when you go to check your finances on Rocket Money, and nothing? You're locked out. Login issues are frustrating, especially when you're trying to keep your budget on track. If you've hit a wall trying to sign into your Rocket Money account, don't panic. You're not alone, and usually, the fix is pretty simple. Today, we're going over the top reasons you can't log in and the quick tips to get you back to monitoring your subscriptions and savings. Let's start with the most common culprit, incorrect credentials. It sounds obvious, but a simple typo in your email or password is the #1 reason for login failure. Double-check your spelling. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive. If you're using a password manager or autofill, try manually typing it in just to be sure. Sometimes, those tools can glitch or save an old password. If you're absolutely sure you have the right password but it's still not working, it's time for the password reset. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click it, enter your registered email, and Rocket Money will send you a reset link. Check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox immediately. Our next fix addresses technical hiccups, clear cache and app/browser data. Your app or web browser stores temporary files that can sometimes interfere with the login process. On the mobile app, try completely closing and relaunching the app. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall it. On a desktop, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or switch to a different browser entirely, like Chrome instead of Safari, or vice versa. This rules out a local software issue on your device. Now, sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all, it's with the network. If you're using a VPN, a public Wi-Fi network, or have very strict firewall settings, these can occasionally block your connection to Rocket Money servers for security reasons. Try disabling your VPN temporarily or switching your internet connection. For example, go from Wi-Fi to your phone's mobile data, and then try logging in again. A fresh connection can sometimes be the magic bullet. Finally, we have the catch-all solution: contact support. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps, verified your password, reset it, cleared your app data, and checked your connection, and you still can't get in, it's time to reach out to the Rocket Money support team. They have the tools to look at your specific account and find out if there's an issue on their side, like an account lock or a rare service bug. You can typically find their contact information, often a chat link or email, in the app's help section or on their main website. Don't let a login screen stop you from being financially savvy. A quick check of your credentials, a password reset, or a simple tech refresh is usually all it takes to get you back to saving money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.